Hi, Blue Group. This is your Blue 15 sort. You will need 4 different colors for this sort. You have, again, like last week, you'll have base words, and then we are going to add a suffix onto those base words. So let's go ahead and grab our first color, and let's go to the base words that end with a T. That's what that means. So a base word that ends with a T would be invent. Invent. Another base word would be digest. Like you need to have your food digest. Another one would be suggest. And are you noticing that there's a T at the end of each of these? Let's see, we have desert. Desert, not dessert, desert. Dessert has 2 S's. Let's see, we have adopt. Adopt. Distort. If you distort something, that means you stretch it or move it so that it doesn't look the same. So like when you stretch a picture or stretch something, it doesn't look the same. Distort. Prevent means don't do something. Insert down here at the bottom. And I believe that might be all of our base words that end with a T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 base words that end with a T. Go ahead and switch your color. Okay, so now these base words, we're going to add the suffix ION. What I want you to really pay attention to is how does it change the ending? So we're going to add ION. How does it change how you say the ending? So we went from invent to invention. I don't hear the T anymore. I hear sh. Invention. Digest. We're going to digestion. Oh, it made the sh sound again. Suggest. Suggestion. Desert, desertion. If you desert somewhere, you leave, you go away. So if desertion, if a place has shown desertion, no one lives there, everyone's gone. See, we have distort. Remember, you stretched it so it doesn't look right. Now we have distortion. Again, the T now makes the sh sound. Insert, I had to insert the right money into the to get my pop out of the vending machine. Insertion over here. Changed it again. Adopt, and I change it to adoption. I have prevent, and I change that to prevention. So it changes the sound of the T. All right, let's go ahead and change our color. We're going to go over to our base word over here. I'm skipping the middle one. And we're going over here to the base word of IC. So these words are all going to end with an IC. Magic ends with a C. Electric ends with a C. Music, actually they end with a K. Clinic ends with a C. Okay, so now switch colors. We're going to add the suffix onto there. This time, if it ends with IC, we're not adding ION, we're adding IAN. So if it ends with a C, IAN. And again, I want you to make sure, listen for how the C changes. We went from magic to magician. I don't hear the K anymore. It's a sh again. We went from electric to electrician, someone who works with electricity. We went from music to musician. It changes the sound of the C. Clinic to clinician. A clinic, it might be somewhere where you go if you're sick. Like I went to the clinic to get my cold checked out. A clinician would be someone who probably works at the clinic. Clinician. Okay, Blue Group, go ahead and make sure that you take a picture of this and make sure you study. Good luck.